How to avoid losing more than what you have accepted mentally to lose in trading, and not losing more than what you did not expect to lose. It's simple. Walk away. It's not easy to do. You feel as if you have lost some money, you want to revenge trade, you want to do everything that's wrong, you want to throw your strategy through the window. But the simplest thing you can do, which is so hard, is walk away. Trading is a mental game. I do believe the first topic that should be taught in trading is psychology. Marking up the charts, technical analysis, and all of that is not the hardest part of it. But controlling your emotions, controlling your thoughts is one big fat challenge that you have never encountered before. And now that you're in this trading field, you have to accept it for what it is. Walk away. Take a break. I'm not saying take a break for a day or two, take a break for a week, 2 weeks, a month. Come back rejuvenated, come back with a different mindset, come back with a clear mindset, ready to apply your strategy and go again with discipline. If you don't learn how to walk away, you're gonna give up, you're gonna quit. It's that simple. Walk away. The mental game that we're playing when it comes down to trading is figuring out ourselves, who we are, the personality that we have, how we were brought up. Are we hungry? Are we easily to get upset? Are we impatient? Are we greedy? Are you aggressive? Because all of this is going to play out in your trading. And you have to figure out all of this before you go on the charts. It's not something that's going to happen overnight. It's not something that you're going to figure out in a minute or two, but it's a process that's going to reveal who you are over a period of time. So nothing is wrong with walking away, because walking away for a month or 2 weeks will save you the time of giving up on something that will and can change your financial situation. A month break can give you a breakthrough for 10 years, simply because you decided to take a break. The mental challenge of trading that I have encountered and I've seen others have encountered is not knowing how to take a break and believing that you always have to be on the charts. You have to be on the charts from Monday to Friday. If you're trading crypto, you're on the charts 7 days a week. There's no break. You forgot that you started learning this so you could have time freedom, and you find yourself now on the charts for 5 hours. You should not be on the charts for more than an hour or two. So you have to understand there has to be boundaries. You have to set boundaries to save yourself from quitting. Taking a break is better than quitting. If you're having a bad trading day, a bad trading week, stop, take a break, come again. The strategy that you might be using is not effective in this type of market, so take a break. Nothing is wrong with taking a break. And taking a break will save you from quitting something that God placed in your life to change your financial situation. Take a break. I know I've said it several times, and it might seem so hard for you to do it. And I've found out that it's not that easy. It's easier said than done because you're thinking about your bills. You're thinking about, all right, I'm going to miss these opportunities. You're thinking about so much. But what can you do if your emotions are attached to the trading, attached to your money, and there is no more funds in your trading account to trade? Compulsory, you will have to walk away now. This is something that I had to learn on my own because nobody tells you that you can take a break. Nobody tells you to walk away. Nobody tells you to sit back, turn off the screen, spend some time with your family, and try to figure out what's best for you mentally, physically, and emotionally. If we can't control this, we have already lost the race. We have already lost the money in the account because trading is not about the charts. It is the only skill set that you have to figure out who you are, the personality that you have, and who you need to become to overcome the challenges that comes with trading. I'm not the one that's always on the channel, but I felt like I'm always behind the scene, and I felt like I have been going through some seasons of losing, and I've realized that nothing is wrong with taking a break. I even said it to my wife and she agreed to it because there are seasons where we're winning, we're winning, we're winning, we're winning. And there are seasons where we're just losing. And why is it that we're losing? It's because we haven't recognized that we need to step back. And it's okay to step back. Nothing is wrong with stepping back for a moment to come back bigger and better, mentally stable and ready to apply your strategy effectively, no emotions attached to your trading, and allow your trades to give you maximum profits. Without a clear mind, you will never make money in trading. The same way you have to accept that you're going to lose, you have to accept that if you are not ready mentally, you have already lost. So you have to come with that A plus mindset. And if you can't come with an A plus mindset, and what is an A plus mindset? An A plus mindset is accepting what it is, accepting trading for what it is. You can watch so many podcasts, you can watch everyone that's making money, you can be being so distracted by the hype, the lifestyle, and everything that you're not thinking about your physical well-being. And if here is not healthy, there is no progress in the trading for you. I'm not about the charts today. I'm not about teaching anything. I'm just here to share with you that it's okay to step back. It's okay to take a break. It's okay to feel down. But it's not okay for you to continue driving yourself to wreck because you don't believe that you can take a break. Take a break, step back, and come again. And you're going to see how much you have improved mentally you're going to see that you're feeling much better. Don't chase the money, chase the process. If you chase the money, you will quit. You will quit. And when you quit, you're going to have to find another skill set, and you're going to have to start all over again. And no other skill set that you will find or encounter will give you the opportunity that this platform provides. So to save yourself from losing all your money, blowing your accounts, blowing your prop firms, step back for a minute. Get some fresh air. Spend some time with your family. Go cook some food, play some music. Just step back. Read your Bible. Find peace within yourself and come again. Come again. Nothing is wrong with taking a break. I'm Jeff. I'm sure you guys have already known that I'm Jeff the trader, that I've been through ups and downs like any other trader. And taking a few L's have taught me that I've learned that it's okay to step back. It's okay to take a break. Because there will be a time of reaping. There will be a time of happiness. There will be a time of gratitude. There will be a time of celebration. And if you want to stick around long enough for all of that, you have to apply taking a break as a strategy to your trading, to your well-being, so you can trade effectively. I'm hoping that this helps someone. I'm hoping that someone is taking this advice now, and soon we'll be showing back some good content on the channel. And I just want somebody to apply this to their strategy. Take a break. Take a break. Leave it in the comments if this did any good for you. Drop it in the comments if you have any questions. I do a lot of self-evaluation because I've learned that 90% of trading is psychology. And that's where trading should start. So, take a break. Take a break. And I'll see you guys soon. Don't quit. Don't give up. Just take a break. Until next time, see you guys soon.